So today I'm going to show you how to buy PNG. It is a quite easy thing, and there are two ways to do that. First of all, it is through their decentralized exchange, that is Pangolin.exchange, and second is through centralized exchange, that is Gate.io. So let's start. Here you need to go here to the exchange, and also you need to have MetaMask with Avalanche mainnet to do that, and some AVAX for fees for the transaction. Let me just connect my wallet. And I'm going to buy it with AVAX. Alright, so I'm going to get 2.3 PNG with my 0.1 AVAX. I need to click here at swap. Here you can see the details, the price impact. Here you can see the fee. You need to have it. And done. I have got my PNG, my wallet. Here, as you can see, I had 100 and it's now 102 PNG. Alright, so it was quite easy. And second is through Gate.io. Let's search for PNG here. Here you can check all the details. Here is the chart. Here is the buy and sell orders. Here you need to put the amount of PNG you want. So here you go, total USDT. It is quite simple as any other exchange. You need to log in here with your account Gate.io. So I have basically shown all the two methods which are currently there. In future they are going with more exchanges, centralized exchanges, which I will show you in my future video.